What's up, everyone? How are you? Thank you for watching and thank you for dropping by. Nolasco here, and this channel we talk about lifestyle and sneaker related stuff. And welcome back for another sneaker invest episode wherein I'm gonna share to you what I sold on GOAT, how much the profit, and why did I invest on them, and also return on investment, and also some story and tip and tricks along the way. And by the way, and if you are new to this channel, this today is doing the raffle from the previous blog, wherein I'm gonna draw 5 winners of a giveaway, two bags with including socks and some toys. So we're gonna do the raffle at the end of this video. Without further ado, let's do what sold and GOAT. Let's go.
GOAT, starting off with Air Force One Low NBA, and this one is supposed to be the Lakers colorway. And where are they at? So we sold 10 and a half. 10, that's 11. This one's, I bought this for 54.97, and let me have it right there. Here we go. Nice color on the NBA Lakers colorway. That's what they said. I already keep me one of this because I like the color, and it's really vibrant of a Lakers colorway. If that's what they say, as you can see right there, Air Force One NBA. Nice color, huh? Nice color of that yellow. And also the leather, not bad at all, not bad. But anyway, I made 80.97 on this one, and I bought this for $49.97 minus the 30% off is somewhere 35. So minus 80.97, $44. I made $44 after the fees and PayPal fees, so that's not bad. For investment of 35, I made 44 after fees. More than 100% return of investment. Boom. Next one, we're looking for Air Jordan 11 Retro GS. Okay, here we go. We got the Air Jordan 11 Retro Kids GS. Nice Jordan 11, huh? Well, I bought this including taxes is $180 because this was the kids version. Didn't get a chance to buy me the men's because it sold out. $180 plus tax. Sold them on Go 207.67 minus 2.9% PayPal fees, and I'm making minus 180. I'm making about 21-ish, something like that. So I'd say not bad, but that's kind of too low for me. So I'm still learning the resale game. Too more familiar with the Nike factory store resale game. So next one, Air Vapor Max 2019 Throwback Future. I bought this for $89.97 minus the 30% off. It should be 62 or 63, and then I sold them for 103 minus 2.9% of PayPal fees, so that would be 159 minus the buy cost of 62.97 or 63. That would be came down to 37.62. And boom, that is almost like 60% return of investment. Boom. Nice color on this one. Check that bubble right there. Well, what do you think? Can you please leave it down? Well, how about this one? Looking into the everyday formats, line 3 laser fuchsia. Bought this for $89.97 with the additional 30% off. So came down to 58, something like that, and then sold it for 121 minus 2.9% PayPal fees minus the buy cost of 58.28. That should come down to 59.89. That is way more than 100% return of investment. Check this color. I don't know why guys are still going to this one, but hey, I can dig into this color though. It says fuchsia, but is this reflective? Kinda looks like reflective. Well, what do you think? What do you think? Can you please leave a comment down below? I would love to hear your thought, and please give a thumbs up. Thumbs up. Okay, let's move on. Now looking for the Classic Cortex. Bought retail on this one is 100, and I bought this 38.47. You can see right there. Then like 85.50. Then minus the 2.9 is that somewhere $83. Minus the buy cost of 38.47. Boom, that is 44.55. It is almost 115% return of investment. Check this out. I don't know why did I didn't like this one. It's still simple for me. The Nike swoosh, another small swoosh, the sportwear on the back. Not bad for plain white and black colorway. Well, what do you think? Would you cut this one? And would you sell them for 100% return of investment? Well, surely I would. Alright, moving on. Air Force One low. And this one I bought there somewhere different store. I believe, as you can see, no box. That means I bought these no boxes either from Ross, Burlington, TJ Maxx, or Marshall. And look at the quality of this one. It is some kind of velvet. Yeah, I think velvet. Can you please leave a comment down below? It is so soft, like wow, it is really soft. I wish it could be in my size, but it's not my size. This one is size 13, and yep, here you go. Bought them on Ross Dress for Less, and check that out. Size 13. It says comparable value of 75. That's wrong. It's not 75. You know, Air Force One go like 90, something like that, or 120. It depends. But this one bought them for $54.99 plus tax. Came like 58.28, something right there. Sold them for 108 minus 2.9, and after the PayPal fees, that should be 104.98 minus the buy cost of 58.28. That should be 46.70. It's almost 80% return of investment. Wow, not bad, right? Not bad. And this one has been sitting like for like 2 or 3 months. I bought them before the quarantine, but I wish it could be my size. Definitely worth a cup for the collection. I really like the color in this velvety thing. Nice. It's so soft. It's like something you could wear it as like a blanket, something like that. It's so soft. Okay, let's move on. Women's Air Force One low. Okay, this one only got 3 left, and I bought them on Nike Factory Store without the top cover, but no additional. I mean, the retail is 90, right? Check that out, 90, and the only discount I got this one is 30% discount. So 90 minus 30% discount is somewhere around 63. So this is the Teal Nebula. 90 minus the 30% is somewhere 63, and I sold them for 139.80, and then minus 2.9 PayPal fees came down to 135.79 minus the buy cost of 63. That should be around 71.24. Boom, 100% return of investment. Boom. Another story on this one. Actually, another reseller was on the Nike factory store by way back then, before I bought them. So this dude is looking into it. So he was touching it, like doing his research or something like that, right? And he just left. He just didn't want to go with it. He didn't buy them. So why he didn't buy them? So I went in there after he left and put it back on the shelf. Did my research on eBay, StockX, and Goat. So $90 minus the 30%. When I'm looking into the Goat and StockX, there is a profit. I said there is a profit. So, and also I knew that Air Max Air Force One sold out that really good, because even though they are just plain white, they are selling good. So I said, hey, I'm gonna take a risk. I like the color. It is simple, and a lot of people also buying. It's not, when I saw the comps, it's not that much a huge profit, but hey, I said I'm gonna take a risk. This not bad shoes, and a lot also people buying, a lot of buyers buying this kind of sneakers, especially just plain white, and that is just a simple thing. So I make 71.74 on this one. That is more than 100% return of investment. So it's always do your research. Do your research. It's not always that because someone just left them or some buyer just left them, probably it's not a good one. Well, do your research, just like I did my research, and I think I got me this what 15 pair of this one, and already got 2 pairs left, and I'm selling them more than 130s, 120s, somewhere around there, and getting me 100% return on investment. Still selling on the Jordan 1 with colorway. Look at this. So it used to be like 3 stocks right there. It's gone now, and a couple more right there. It's supposed to be like all the way onto that. But anyway, most of this Air Jordan High OG with colorway is sold. Most of them are size 11. Sold 3 size 11. So 3 of the size 11. Let's take them up. That is 1. 2 more. There we go. We got 3 orders of the Jordan 1 High OG Retro. And this is it. I've been featuring this a lot in the blog because it's been selling good. It's just plain brown, some kind of wheat color, right? If I could remember right, bought them for $56. Check out the blog. Some of them 56, some of them are 79, but more of these are $56 by cost. So I sold them 117.17 after the goat fees, and then minus the 2.9 PayPal fees. That should be around 113.77 or somewhere around 114 minus 56 by cost. That is $58. So boom, another 100% return of investment, and that's it. Not bad for goat, right? And that will be all on this.
Alright, thank you for staying with me until the end of this video. As promised, I'll be doing the giveaway of bags and some toys. So let's start with the first one, and the first toy, the winner is Rich Triviana. Congratulations. Next one, let's do another winner of the toy, and the lucky winner is name is TC Han 33. Congratulations. Next one, another toy. So who is gonna be the winner? Okay, so lucky winner is, the name is Rocco. So last 2, And this is one gonna be the bag and the socks. Good luck. And the lucky winner is name is Aaron Torres. Congratulations. Okay, and the last one, and the last winner of the bag is name is Lenny Espinal. So congratulations. So all the winners will be doing some comment on the previous video that they are winner. So, and also after that DM me on Instagram so you could give me your address so I could send the item to you whenever you are international. So thank you for this event. This is my first giveaway before the 2K subscriber, and as promised I'll be doing the another some giveaway before the 2K subscriber, and there's gonna be special on the 2,000 subscriber giveaway. So thank you so much and staying with me and being with me on my journey on this YouTube. Thank you so much. I do really appreciate you. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. So with that being said, that would be all on this video. I'll see you in the next one. Mag-ingat po kayo. Peace. Bye-bye.